Good afternoon from Radio Alabama. I'm meteorologist Dan Holliday here in the Weather Center where we're tracking the progress of Tropical Storm IRMA. Now, this storm continues to weaken, but really the brunt of it starting to affect the east central part of the state, so that's what we're going to be taking a look at for you. The latest update from the National Hurricane Center shows that IRMA is just about 50 miles to the south-southeast of Albany, Georgia, or 55 miles to the east of Tallahassee, Florida. Maximum sustained winds right now at about 60 miles per hour. It's picked up in speed, moving north-northwesterly at 17 miles per hour. Minimum central pressure now 980 millibars, or about 28.94 inches of mercury. We're starting to see some of the tropical storm warnings being lifted in the southern and central parts of Florida as this storm lifts on off to the north and northwest. For us, it's going to be rain and wind that we'll deal with. Let's talk about the first of those. So far, we've had about 7/10 of an inch of precipitation coming from one of our nearby reporting stations, but that's going to be adding up quickly, and we do expect an additional 2 to 4 inches of rain with locally higher amounts. One of the computer models showing us anywhere from about 2 to 3 inches more likely what we can expect out of the entirety of this storm. Of course, this is just one of the models here. We're showing you what's called the HRR, or HRRR, and that has a pretty good guesstimate on what we will likely see. The other issue is going to be the wind. Tropical storm force winds in excess of 30 to 40 miles per hour sustained, with gusts to 55 miles per hour. We think the window of greatest concern here for the strongest winds will be late this afternoon around 4 or 5 o'clock and really ramping up this evening and then sort of diminishing by Tuesday morning. So once again, officially, a tropical storm warning continues in effect for us. IRMA has weakened a bit with maximum sustained winds at around 60 miles per hour. We will track this throughout the rest of the afternoon and into this evening and continue updating you. I'm meteorologist Dan Holliday on Radio Alabama.